When you look at the design of the rock, it might look like one of those showy and impractical designs, while in fact the geometry of rock is completely driven by the function that it's going to perform and the purpose that it's going to serve. Rock was designed as a visitor center for the hot water caves in Iceland, and the landowners, the clients, expected a number of things from the design of this visitor center. They wanted the building to help showcase the beauty of Iceland with an observation deck on the top floor. They wanted the building to be visible from a distance so it can serve as a finding point. But most importantly, they wanted the building to highlight the fact that the visitors were standing at the seam of two tectonic plates, the North American plate and the Eurasian plate. There was this deep ridge there that literally connected two tectonic plates of the Earth. Their idea of this was that there should be some kind of sign that notifies the visitors of this geological wonder. But with rock, we took things to a whole new level. At the base level, we have the common areas, such as the visitor's office and the cafeteria, with the spiral staircase in the middle as the centerpiece, which leads the visitors to the top floor where the observation deck is. And there we have these tilted modules opposite to one another that have this three-sided panoramic glass enclosure. With that, they each individually provide a 180-degree view of the surrounding area, but of only one tectonic plate. Each module is tilted towards one tectonic plate and is facing it. And with the glass enclosure, you can see all the surrounding areas. But the backside is covered, so you cannot see the other plate. To do that, you would have to go to the other module. So in a sense, we would be taking the visitors on a guided journey where they get to experience the nature of Iceland one tectonic plate at a time. And this is a perfect arrangement because with the backside of the module covered, there's room for geological information and the fun facts pertaining to that tectonic plate. And with the two 180-degree views from each module, we still have a 360-degree visibility on the surrounding area. So we're not obstructing any views. To take things even further, we put the building right on top of the ridge. This way, not only it becomes one of the few floating buildings in the world, but it will also serve as a bridge between the two tectonic plates and metaphorically between the two worlds. Interestingly, the only way we could create this experience is by having two tilted modules, like that. If we had, let's say, placed the modules corner to corner, obviously there would be no room for access. If you had placed the modules back to back, you would be able to see both tectonic plates at the same time, but just standing in one module. But when you put them side by side and at an angle, you get these protrusions that allow for that 180-degree panoramic view of one tectonic plate. The backside is covered, so you cannot see the other plate. And you also get this overlap between the modules that allows you to add in the staircase and provide for access between the modules so people can walk between them. Also, when you have the modules at an angle, you naturally get these arrows pointing towards the tectonic plates. So what we did was that we highlighted these arrows and use them as signs, just like what the client had asked for.